Good morning students, welcome to Alchemy online classes. Today we are going to discuss adverbs. We have already discussed different kinds of adverbs and today just will have a quick recap of all it. First one, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, interrogative adverbs. So we have already discussed this all types of adverbs with example. Today we shall discuss adjectives and adverbs. So an adjective adds to the meaning of a noun. We have seen already adjectives that adds meaning to a noun. And an adverb adds to the meaning of verb, an adjective or another adverb. But here adverb is adding meaning to an adverb, an adjective and as well as verb. Clear? Example, we should go for a walk daily. You can see here an adverb adds meaning to go, should go. See here, you can see here, we should go for a walk daily. And second one, at Delhi the train gets crowded with daily passengers. Adjective, you can see here, adjective adds to the meaning of the passenger. You can see that adjective is adding meaning to the word passenger. Clear? I hope you can see the difference over here. It will be clear if we shall go through this. First one, formation of adverbs of manner. So you can see here, most adverb of manner end in ly. They are formed by adding ly to adjectives. The word adjective, and we are going to add ly to it. We will see one by one. Words ending in e, drop e and add ly. That means the word which is having e at the end, we will drop or will cut that e and we will add ly to it. Clear? So you can see here, simple, simply, gentle, gently. Clear? Next one we'll see words ending with y. So if the word is ending with y at the last, letter y is there at the last, we will drop y and we will add ily. So you can see here, heavy, heavily, noise, noisily. Clear? Noise, noisy, noisily. Ly we are adding here, ily. Words ending in l, we will add ly. So you can see here, general, generally. So here you can see double L because already L is written and we will add ly. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Let us move on further. This is your exercise number 4 from your essential grammar textbook. From adverbs, form adverbs from the adjectives given below. Fill in the blanks with the adverbs you have formed. See, you can see the box over here. You can see the words given here and the sentences. You are going to add few letters at the end to convert it into adverb. Clear? The manager dash asks the peon to get out. So obviously he is manager, so he is going to talk angry. So you will see, you can see the word here angry, but it is not suitable to it. We will add ily. So we will add ily and it will become angrily. Number second, the boy looked at the chocolate box greedily. So we are going to add ily here. Bring these medicines from the market immediately. You can see the word here immediate and we will convert it into immediately. Number third, Ruskin Bond usually, you can see the usual word here. We will convert into usually, double ly you can see here. Usually writes about the life in countryside. The girls sang and danced merrily. Next one, long power cut were entire. So you can see the word here entire and entirely the company fault. The stranger gently knocked at the door. So you can see the word here gentle. It is good to take exercise regularly. Regular is converted with regularly. I hope this exercise is clear to you. Let us move on further. Position of adverbs. So when to place and where to place adverbs. First point, an adverb of manner, place and time are placed after the verb if the verb is intransitive and after the object if the verb is transitive. You have to remember this thing. Manner, place and time are placed after the verb if it is transitive and after the object if it is intransitive. Clear? Number second, for emphasizing adverb of time may also be placed in beginning of the sentence. It may be placed in the beginning of the sentence. Number third, adverbs of frequency, always, never, rarely. So you can see this type of words, adverb of frequency, rarely, regularly and all. Clear? Adverb of degree, almost, nearly, just, quite. So you can see this type of words for degree. I know almost all of this. Clear? So in this way you are going to use in the sentence. Sometimes adverbs of manner are placed between the subject and the verb if the verb consists of one word, and after the first word if the verb consists of more than one word. When we are going to place adverb of manner between the subject and the verb when it is consist of one word, and the first word if the verb consists of more than one word. Next, number 4, when an adverb modifies an adjective or another adverb, it is placed before the adjective or adverb. So number 4 is adverb is modified an adjective or another adverb, it is placed before it. Clear? Now if it will be clear when we will go through an exercise. So here is an exercise. Insert the given adverbs in its normal position. We will see one by one here. The principal gave a moving speech. So you can see the word here, very. Now where we are going to place, it is very important. The principal gave a very moving speech. Number 2, these flowers started blooming early. In the bracket it is given. These flowers started blooming early. Okay. My friends accepted my invitation. So here gladly is given in the bracket. So where we are going to write, my friends gladly accepted my invitation. Number 4, the workers repaired these holes. So recently, where we are going to add, here after the workers recently repaired these holes. Or you can also frame the sentence, the workers repaired these holes recently. Both are acceptable, both are right. I hope the concept is clear. For extra content, please visit Extra Mark app, Diksha app, where you can get the whole topic. Thank you for the day. Take care.